Yo, what's good everyone? Hope you're having an amazing day. The Fed just cut rates for the first time in 9 months, and that's a massive shift for the markets. Lower rates mean cheaper borrowing, higher liquidity, and often big moves in growth and tech. So today, we're breaking down 2 stocks to watch closely in October 2025. We'll cover why they matter, the risks, and what could drive them higher over the next year. Let's get into it. First up is Albemarle, ticker symbol ALB. Why does this matter? Lithium. Lithium isn't just about EV batteries anymore. It's a national security resource. It powers drones, satellites, submarines, advanced weapons, and critical data centers. It's also the backbone of the renewable energy transition. Here's the kicker. The United States has been almost entirely dependent on China for rare earths and critical minerals. That's a risk. So the US government has been moving aggressively to support domestic producers. We've already seen subsidies, federal grants, and even direct equity stakes in strategic companies. Albemarle stands out because it's one of the few vertically integrated lithium players in the US. They operate the Silver Peak mine in Nevada, the only active lithium operation in America. They're also working to reopen their Kings Mountain project in North Carolina and expanding with a $1.3 billion processing facility in South Carolina. The government has already given Albemarle funding support, a $67 million Department of Energy grant in 2024, a $90 million Department of Defense award in 2023 to expand domestic mining. That puts ALB at the center of US policy for securing lithium independence. And if the White House continues to prioritize this, Albemarle could see major upside. The risk? Lithium prices are volatile, and Albemarle isn't immune to margin pressure or global competition. But with strategic US backing, this stock has strong recovery potential. Many analysts see it building momentum above the $150 level, especially if another round of government partnerships hits. Bottom line, Albemarle is a way to play energy, defense, and independence, all in one ticker. Next is Circle Internet Group, ticker symbol CRCL. Now this one might surprise you. It's a stablecoin play. Circle is the largest publicly traded issuer of stablecoins, like USDC, which are pegged to the US dollar. Here's why that matters. When people worldwide put money into stablecoins, those issuers have to hold US treasuries as reserves. That means more demand for treasuries, a stronger dollar, and indirectly more stability for the US financial system. The Trump administration just passed the Genius Act, reclassifying digital infrastructure as critical national infrastructure. That includes stablecoin settlement rails. Translation? The US is officially blessing stablecoins as a strategic payment rail. Instant settlement, 24/7 payments, and global on-ramps and off-ramps, all tied to the dollar. That's a massive policy tailwind for Circle. Their data centers, compute power, and validation nodes now qualify for subsidies when used to support stablecoin networks. So Circle has a dual revenue model. On one side, stablecoin transaction fees and settlement rails. On the other side, GPU leasing and enterprise hosting for AI and digital infrastructure. And with Washington backing the space, Circle is positioned as a major long-term winner. The risk? Regulation can always shift, and competition in crypto is fierce. But with the US directly attaching stablecoins to treasury demand and dollar dominance, Circle has one of the strongest policy setups in the market right now. So here's the takeaway. Albemarle represents America's push for lithium independence, and Circle represents America's push for stablecoin dominance. Both are in very different sectors, but both are backed by real policy momentum. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. Both plays carry risk. But if you're looking for stocks that could benefit directly from government strategy, ALB and CRCL deserve a spot on your radar. Let me know in the comments what stocks you're watching this month. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. This is the Profit Plug. Tapped in. Profits on demand. Catch you in the next one.